Hartig Drug was started in 1904 by my great-grandpa, A.J. Hartig, and it's been a labor of love for our family ever since. We've been in the Dubuque and tri-state community for over 115 years. My dad joined the company shortly after pharmacy school in 1973, I believe, and he did a number of different things. One of the things he did with the company was start long-term care pharmacy, which is pharmacy services that are provided to nursing homes. Over the years, Hartig Drug Company has grown quite a bit. We've had the opportunity to grow throughout the tri-states with now 23 different retail locations, which has actually helped service our long-term care facilities as well. Hartig Pharmacy Services, which is based in Dubuque, really works in tandem with our retail locations all across the tri-state to provide nursing home pharmacy services. Many of our patients actually start with Hartig Pharmacy in the retail locations. However, they may actually progress to a care setting, either in an assisted living or a skilled nursing facility, where our services go directly from retail and community pharmacy to our nursing home pharmacy services. So it's really a very easy transition and some really high quality continuity of care that Hartig can provide. One thing that I think Hartig Pharmacy Services is really great at is just providing really flexible service. If something's outside of our process but it needs to happen, we'll make it happen. We'll make sure that the medication is delivered, the drug order is reviewed, the patient is consulted, the discharge order gets made to a Hartig retail pharmacy before someone leaves the facility to ensure that there's no readmission. Those are the types of high-touch, high-service solutions we can provide. As a pharmacist myself, and as a pharmacist that's involved in Hartig Pharmacy Services daily, I'm proud of the work that Hartig Pharmacy Services does. And I think it would be a great fit for a number of nursing homes and care facilities in our area.